E6 to the Z and all we know about shot. I get the biggest set of fight there for my own nation.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only per pressure and I'm gonna. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so right now we have a talk about Prince Swanny, and Prince Swanny just released a song title brand new, and in big up Squash. So in big up the Six. You know, it's Prince Swanny and the Six been in some trouble and all these things, but in my big up the Six right now. And Prince Swanny also mentioned that him get the biggest fight from Trinidad, where he's actually from. You see me? We're gonna get into it right now. Stay tuned for the breakdown.
Me tell them little boys really just stay out of that. Cause if them sell out me link, me full of my cup a shot. Paranoid, me smoke the weed until my lungs get black. Can't trick me with pussy because me know about cat. E6 to the Z.
Prince Swanny say, yo, me tell them boy they say the Z gang real. So stay out of this, because anyhow you sell out the link, we are full you up a cup a shot. You see me? So if you don't want dead, if you don't want your mother cry for you, don't try coming out with gang, don't try run in, because we no deal with disloyal people. A loyal soldier we roll with, a loyal soldier we need in a this. You see me? We can fight the fight. Paranoid, me not trust nobody. You see me? And the girl where you send for me, I try to use and trick me. That girl they can't trick me because me used to girl. You see me? Me used to crutches and all these things. So that girl then not go trick me. You see me? So Prince Swanny, I heal up Squash. So Prince Swanny say, yo, heal the Six. So Prince Swanny is bigging up Squash. And as me say, Prince Swanny, the Six in Trinidad been having some problems from them say, yo, a theme team or whatever, you know what I mean, Dirt, Rubber Six, and them been having that feud. But right now Prince Swanny is bigging up Squash and bigging up the Six. You see me? So big up Prince Swanny and big up Squash.
Like if you're running and me wait upon the ground, you stay so. Me have some white killies, the base show with me get the great sum. Know if me chilling in Miami, know me with the Asian. Me get the biggest set of fight there for my own nation. Let's see the 50 when me buy it.
If you're running our way, we'll flat you out. You see me? We flat you out on the ground. A badness it name. We travel round the world. So when we go Miami and chilling in Miami, just know say, yo, we are linked with the Haitian them. And you know, any link where you have with Haitians and a normal link, because the Haitian them always have an abundance supplement of guns, weed and gun trade Haitians deal with. So Jamaica send over the weed, Haitians send over the guns. Trinidad send over the weed and these things, Haitians send over the guns. You see me? So that a crazy link. Prince Swanny have a Haitian link, and that is a crazy link. Prince Swanny say, yo, me get the biggest set of fight from my own nation. You see me? And we just cover a story about gunmen attacking Prince Swanny where he's from. And when your own people them a fight you, and that is like a losing battle, because that is nothing good. So what you have to do, you have to leave and go somewhere where you will be appreciated by other people, a different nation, maybe the USA or England or what of them place a Prince Swanny can travel and go, and these people will appreciate him, because Jamaicans love Prince Swanny. You see me? Them love him music and all these things. So him can either come to Jamaica or him can go anywhere else in the world and live him life and just leave Trinidad alone, while doing so still making Trinidad proud, still putting Trinidad on the map, even though Trinidad people hate him so much, even where he's from.
Them call me Chucky, call me evil, so them pray to start it. Them know the shoes, them will be beat is like the J's outfit. I give them shopping at the grocery, yeah, them are with Target. Roll up on them clips after clips like this, a movie shot it.
Alright, so Prince Swanny, I say, yo, them call him Chucky because him evil and them afraid of him. So the gunman them were try to attack him last night and shoot up him house. Them afraid of him. Them afraid to start anything the right and proper way. You see me? Because them know him evil and him full of bravery. So him not afraid of none of them. Him will slaughter the whole latter them. So I must say, yo, the shoes them when beat and they're not normal. You see me? And by shoes, it mean the type of AK rifle them when my fire shake up the whole place. I got alone can't stop it. You see me? Bust it clips after clips after clips. So I empty out a whole magazine pan you. You see me? And to how I empty the clip them and and him have to reload, you see me, and him have to come back again. You good the thing say, yo, it's a movie clip, so good. You see me?
Them say we sick, we ratted, we got some chip retarded. No boy they couldn't tell me where fi walk, go where fi party. Now we no kick karate, if them this is switch rapping. If we lift up point command, I every see you know we clot it.
Them say we sick to rotted, with girls them chip retarded. So basically Prince Swanny say, yo, them say we chip, you see me? Them know say we sick. Them know say a Bellevue, some rehabilitation center, them need to send we to all our badness no have no head. Our badness gone insane. And the girls them where they around we, retarded. Them chip, them head plug out, you see me? Because these girls, we will send this way and we will send one of these same females for you. So the girl them that we have around us, they are so dangerous to the point where we can send them on missions, you see me? If you go bust a head for we. Just like that. And know this, no man can program we. So anywhere we go, we want travel this and we travel with it. Anything pop off, just know say yo, on a boxing we do, a straight gunshot in the face. The Z, we clot it. So I must say yo, him gang, we make sure we say yo, the rifle them fire.
Brand new, ice for my neck, every shoe you feel know it brand new. Cars on the rims, all the jeeps you feel know it brand new.
Brand new. Ice for my neck, everything brand new. We're rich and we get the latest drip. You see me? So him neck freeze off, him wrist freeze off, him gal neck freeze off, and him gal wrist freeze off. So you know say him proper and him gal proper and everybody well freezing. You see me? Wrist freeze off with a Philip Patek. You see me? Don't forget the new shoes them, the chrome skin Glock 40, brand new, fresh Gucci, Louis Vuitton, so everything brand new. Him gun them brand, him shoes them brand new, you see me? Him beats them brand new, and him gal brand new. Can good to change a girl too, you see me?
Violate to make you vanish straight off of the map. Gunshot and make it disappear, make it look like you was never here. My life a change, so me I thank the God all when me wake up. Me living like a artist plus a killer with them Draco.
Yeah, so Prince Swanny say yo, this and you disappear like you never born, like you wasn't here. Last your body, you see me? Cremate that, mince it up like beef, you see me? My life a change. And him have a change too, because by being this famous, he's getting more recognition from many people, and also many people meaning many envious eyes, haters when you like to see him, you see me? So him have to stay in him yard, him not gonna away. He's living like an artist by doing so, but him also live like a man where travel with the AK. Him also live like a gunman, you see me? So him live a double life, him live two life. So at that Prince Swanny say living like an artist while also living like the chopper them, you see me? The real killer them. If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.
Prince Swanny made a post on IG stating that I am back.